In this video, we are going to show you how to create SRT files for the web. SubRip Subtitle files are widely used for web videos. Let's start off by opening your project in Closed Caption Creator. Make sure to review and finalize your captions. Then, when you are ready, select Export. Then click Subtitle File. Choose your desired event group. Select SRT as the export format under File Extension. Insert your desired general options under More Options. Then lastly, click Export to download your SRT file. You have now successfully created SRT caption files for web. If you found this video helpful and would like to learn more, visit our website at www.closedcaptioncreator.com.